Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 23 July 2020. This is our current affairs session, and in this session we are going to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. This was our previous question. Our first question was Navin Rozgar Chhatri Yojana is launched in which state? Odisha, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Manipur. The correct answer here is option B, Uttar Pradesh. Recently, in Uttar Pradesh, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath launched the Navin Rozgar Chhatri Yojana for all-round development of scheduled caste (SC). Okay. Our second question was World Chess Day is observed on 20 July, 21 July, 22 July, 23 July. The correct answer here is 20 July. The World Chess Day is observed on 20 July by United Nations. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is India and which country signed an agreement to establish emergency medical service? Sri Lanka, Maldives, Nepal, Bhutan. The correct answer here is Maldives. Option B is correct here. Recently, India and Maldives signed an agreement to establish emergency medical service. Okay. The capital of the Maldives is Malé is the capital, and the currency of the Maldives is Maldivian rupiah, and president is Ibrahim Mohammed Soli. Ibrahim Mohammed Soli is the president of Maldives. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards next question. Which bank has launched a campaign to distribute masks and sanitizer? PNB, SDFC, ICICI, SBI. The correct answer here is PNB. Option A is correct here. Punjab National Bank recently launched a campaign to distribute mask and sanitizer. It is launched by the Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan. You can see the image of the Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan here launching this program. Okay. Who is the CEO of PNB? SS Mallikarjun Rao is the CEO of PNB. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 3. India and US conduct PESAS exercise in which ocean? Bay of Bengal, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, none of these. The correct answer here is Indian Ocean. Option C is correct here. India and US conduct PESAS exercise in Indian Ocean. Okay, it is a bilateral exercise, and in US and India conduct it. Okay, and the name is PESAX. PESAX is the name of this exercise. Okay, and it is conducted by Indian Navy and US Navy. The Chief of Indian Navy is Admiral Karambir Singh, now the Chief of Indian Navy. Admiral Karambir Singh. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Question number 4. Ramesh Boddu appointed as new MD and CEO of which bank? Karur Vyasa Bank, Karnataka Bank, Syndicate Bank, SBI. The correct answer here is Karur Vyasa Bank. Option A is correct here. Recently, Ramesh Boddu is appointed as the MD and Chief Executive Officer of Karur Vyasa Bank. Okay, you can see the image of the Ramesh Boddu here. He is taking charge for 3 years. Okay. Next question. SpaceX has launched South Korea's first military satellite named NSS-1, NSS-2, Military X. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is NSS-2. Option B is correct here. SpaceX has launched South Korea's first military satellite NSS-1. Okay, the satellite was deployed by Falcon 9 rocket. The rocket name is Falcon 9 rocket. Okay, the founder of the SpaceX is Elon Musk. Elon Musk is the founder of the SpaceX. It is founded in 2002 and headquarters is in California. In California, headquarters of the SpaceX we can found. Okay, it is launched for the South Korea. The capital of South Korea is Seoul. Seoul is the capital. Currency is South Korean won, and president is Moon Jae-in. Moon Jae-in is the president of South Korea. Okay. Next question. Indian Army got Bharat drones for accurate surveillance. Who developed this drone? DRDO, IAF, ISRO, NTPC. The correct answer here is DRDO. Defense Research Development Organization is the abbreviation of DRDO. DRDO developed Bharat drones for accurate surveillance for in LAC, line of actual control, the border line between India and China. Okay, it can be surveilled in the highest altitude also. So it is developed by DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. Okay, it is developed for the Indian Army. The headquarters of the Indian Army is in New Delhi, and the chief of the Indian Army is Narvani, Manoj Mukund Narvani. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Where is the Air Force Commander Conference AICC held recently? AICC. Bangalore, Mumbai, New Delhi, Chennai. The correct answer here is New Delhi. In New Delhi, AICC Air Force Commander Conference is recently held, and it is inaugurated by our Defense Minister Rajnath Singh. Okay, and the chief of the Air Force is RKS Bhadoria. RKS Bhadoria is the chief of Air Force. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 8. Rare yellow turtle discovered in which state of India? Odisha, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. The correct answer here is option A, Odisha. In Odisha, Baleswar district, it is discovered that the yellow turtle, okay, yellow turtle is discovered here. You can see the image of the yellow turtle here. It is spotted by farmer Basudev Mahapatra. Okay, he spotted it. The turtle is generally known as Indian slab shell turtle. Indian slab shell turtle. Okay, Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Governor is Professor Ganeshi Lal. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Ola rules out enterprises solution. Ola Corporate. Where is the headquarters of the Ola? Delhi, Bengaluru, Mumbai, Kolkata. The correct answer here is Bengaluru. In Bengaluru, headquarters of the Ola is situated. The CEO of the Ola is Bhavish Agrawal. Bhavish Agrawal is the CEO of Ola. Recently, the Ola Enterprises offering to the customer across the Australia, New Zealand and UK for the Ola corporates. Okay, and Ola is founded in 3 December 2010. 3 December 2010 Ola is established. Okay, next question. Question number 10. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 has been implemented in India since 20 July, 19 July, 22 July, 23 July. The correct answer here is 20 July. Option A is correct here. The Consumer Protection Act 2019 has been implemented in India since 20 July. Okay, it has replaced the Consumer Protection Act 1986. This act is replaced. 1986 Act is replaced by 2019 Act. And who is the Union Minister of Consumer Affairs now? Ramvilas Paswan. Ramvilas Paswan is the Union Minister of Consumer Affairs now. Okay, I hope you got the data now. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Please try to answer more in comment section, and please try to write the additional facts of that answer also. If you write the country name, then mention the capital and currency also. Okay, our first question is ICC Men's T20 World Cup postponed to which year? Our second question is Joram Mega Food Park is inaugurated in which state? Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students got help. Okay. Those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe it for the further updates. Thank you.